Fools, the Affordable Care Act has been extremely controversial, has created winners and losers across the nation. But there's one surprising company that may end up being a big winner from Obamacare going forward. My name is Dan Caplinger. I'm the Motley Fool's Director of Investment Planning. And today, I want to talk about this company and why Obamacare stands to improve its prospects so much more than some of its competitors. Now, when you look at the health insurance industry, what you have to look at in terms of Obamacare is the effect that the Affordable Care Act's provisions had on the industry. And basically, for traditional health insurers, companies like UnitedHealth and WellPoint, for instance, it really imposed a number of problematic provisions that required them to make major changes to the way that they did business. And so they had to make changes to the way that they evaluated people with pre-existing conditions, basically kept them from excluding people that they would have excluded previously. But one area that stands to post really big gains from Obamacare comes from voluntary benefits. Those kinds of insurance products that they're not part of a full health care plan, but they provide supplemental coverage. And the company that's most famous for offering those policies is Aflac. It stands to reap huge amounts from people who aren't sure whether their Obamacare policies are going to give them the coverage that they want to the extent that they need. With so many Obamacare policies having large deductibles and out-of-pocket costs, Aflac can really count on seeing more benefit from offering people the added coverage that they want. And so it's become such a big, promising market that other insurance companies are starting to step in as well. Earlier this year, we saw Prudential and MetLife start to offer those same voluntary benefits in hopes that the health coverage that traditional health insurance insurers are covering won't be sufficient to meet customer demand. And so it's really something to look forward to for Aflac shareholders to see just how much their business jumps as Obamacare rolls out. Now, for more on the Affordable Care Act and making sure that you take full advantage of whatever benefits you're entitled to, be sure to stay tuned to Fool.com. Thanks for watching, and Fool on.